Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my, I wouldn't say everyday because I haven't been doing my makeup every day, let's be honest, but it's my go-to makeup look. And I actually have a few new products that I got from CVS. This clear brow and lash mascara from e.l.f. Oh, you cannot see that. Oh wow, it actually works. And then I also got this instant lift brow pencil in neutral brown, also from e.l.f. It's literally $3. This was $4, so I was like, if I don't like it, like, it was so cheap. Try these out, see how they look. Hopefully if they work, you know, it was worth the $3-4. I figured I would show what I do and what I use. Okay, so I'm gonna use first is this First Aid Beauty. Oh, okay, First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This is what I use as my moisturizer. I really like it. It's also really good if you get like any little skin irritations. I put way too much, whatever. If you get like little skin irritations or like rashes, I love to like put this on because it just like repairs your skin. Okay, I'm gonna try these brow products. Okay, so I decided to open the other brow product off camera because that first one took way too long. So I'll probably put that at the end so you could just see truly how long. So in case you want to see, this is what the brow pencil looks. So excited, a new product. So I do my brows first. As you can see.
I don't understand, feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my.
In case you want to see, that's what the pencil looks like.
Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
Okay, so that's what this brow looks like. I really like it. It looks really like natural looking.
Once you get to meet her, she's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something better features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Okay, that looks really good. Okay, e.l.f. to use Tarte Shape Tape in the shade medium to clean up my brow, not like to straighten my brows and like clean them up. So basically just go right under.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the
I'm gonna do other brow off camera. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing to the side. I'm basically taking this like buffing brush and just buffing the concealer that I used around my eyebrows into like my skin. And then when I do the foundation, obviously like it'll be covered, but you just kind of want to blend it in so it's not like obviously just there. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this, like, that's so cool actually. It tells you like, okay, you can't read that, but basically this side tells you lash and this side says brows. But wow, it's actually like really setting them in place, and you can like tell the difference. So I feel like with this, it kind of makes it look more defined, like you can see. For foundation, I'm going to be using Maybelline Superstay full coverage matte foundation in the shade Sun Beige. This is like my summer shade, which is definitely going to fade soon, so I'm trying to get the most out of it. I'm going to pour it right onto my beauty blender. This beauty blender is from Morphe, by the way, in case you want to try a new one. I personally like it for like this shape because I can use like this angled part for my foundation and also for my powder. concealer. This is also a really good concealer if you want something full coverage. I love it. I basically just put my forehead down the center of my nose to highlight, put a little bit down here, and then I'll also put on the top. So you're kind of just highlighting like the center parts of your face. And then with whatever's kind of like left, as you can see there, I'll just put it on my eyes. I'm gonna go with the Maybelline FIT. This is in the shade Pure Beige. This is a setting powder. I'm just gonna put that all over my face. Maybelline FIT Loose Finishing Powder. I'm gonna put this in the same areas where I put highlight. So on the side of my nose. This also helps me when I'm bronzing up my nose, because then I kind of see where I want to put the bronzer and then where I can blend it in with where the powder is, if that makes any sense. So there's kind of like these two openings here for me to bronze. And so for bronzer, I'm going to use the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. Now for blush, I'm going to use Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Seduce. Use the same bronzer that I used for my cheek for my nose. I'm going to just put a little bit on there. And just put it, like I said, in between where the center powder is and the kind of side powder is. I'm gonna bring that up over here onto my eye, like that. So to kind of really like emphasize the shape of the nose. Also put down here and on this side. It's not really showing up on camera, but like just kind of shapes like the bottom of the nose. And then I'm gonna put kind of whatever's left just on my crease of my eye. I'm gonna dust away the powder. As I'm dusting, I'm also like going circular motions, so it's blending into the bronzer that I put there. then with the this side, I'm just gonna take some of the setting powder and just kind of shape. So you kind of see the definition more. Now my favorite part, highlight. Anastasia Glow Kit. Looks like this, obviously very used. Okay, I'm gonna take this brush. Looks like this. For my nose, I'm gonna take the shade Summer. And put that. Oh my gosh, my favorite part. Gonna do that, and then I'm also gonna do like a circular motion to give me like that little, you know, highlighted tip of the nose. Now, as you can see, there's already kind of like that center nose still highlighted. I'm gonna take it like this and just basically do the center. And since I used the concealer and the highlight, the concealer and the powder, it's a setting powder to kind of highlight that area. Now it's easy for me to see where exactly I'm putting this highlight. Like in the exact spot. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Perfect. I'm gonna take this highlight, put it under my brow bone. I'm gonna put on the top of my lip and on my cupid's bow. And then what I like to do sometimes too is kind of just dust a little on like the top of my lip. So when I go to line my lips, you can kind of see it makes it more emphasized once you have like your lip liner and your lipstick on. It's just glowing. And then I'll also just take a little bit on the like apples of my cheeks. Yeah, so as you can see, like when I'm smiling now, then you see the glow here. And it's just so pretty. I use this brush to dust off the powder that I put there. And just kind of blend it into the rest of my makeup. Okay, so I usually use my NYX lip liner in the shade Brown, this one, but I got this one today. It's by Milani. It's Milani Color Statement Lip Liner, True Instant Color, Long Wearing, Easy Glide. It's in the shade Spice, so I want to try that today because it's kind of like a more fall-like color, and I want to try that. Now when I go to line my upper lip, you can see I'm going like right on, but also like below where the highlight is, so that the highlight's still kind of glowing on the lip. But I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna use Telescopic Carbon Black. My go-to lipstick by Milani. Can you see it? Okay. This is Milani also Color Statement lipstick. It's a matte and it's in the shade Matte Beauty. You want to see, okay, it looks more like orange on camera, but it's not. It kind of matches this like perfectly, so yeah, like it actually matches perfectly. Little nude action too. I go in with the shade. This is also Milani, but in the bold matte, so it's a different bottle. It's like black. This is the shade I Am Pretty, and this is just like a nude. It kind of looks the same on camera, but it's like more nude. And I just put this in the center. You can see. And the last step. This is the game changer step, to be honest. I put this on and it just blends the makeup together. It just melts it together. And yeah, if you don't have it, I recommend it. This is the Morphe setting spray. Your face looks really nice, and I love a matte look with some obviously added glow. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I love those, but this one is just, this one just hits different. Oh wow. Instant. So good. It's so good. This is the finished look. Got the highlight on, extra popping, but if you enjoyed it, I hope you learned some tips. If you have any questions, DM me, comment, like, share, subscribe, hit it up, send it to your friends in case they want tips on this kind of, you know, everyday, easy to do makeup look. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this look. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, thank you, appreciate you, and I'll see you in my next video. That did not work. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm literally doing the most. That did absolutely nothing. Oh my god. Okay, so this entire video is actually just me opening this brow product. So, oh my god. What a freaking hassle. Blended, of course. That was my chair. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ow. Okay. Oh, oh my god. Oh my gosh.